Hi, we were at the booth of workshop of Photonics with Aurimas Vrubliauskas. Hi, Aurimas, how are you?
Hi Mel, I'm good, thank you.
So can you tell us what are you presenting at the booth this year?
Yes, sure. We are presenting femtosecond laser-based workshop of photonics in-house technologies for wafer-level glass micromachining, selective laser-induced etching, femtosecond laser ablation, laser welding, a bunch of technologies which could be very suitable for different microfluidic devices manufacturing.
Wonderful. And can you tell us a bit more about this product, FemtoGLASS?
Oh yes, FemtoGLASS stands for unique glass dicing technology, which is based on glass volume modifications without any surface damage. As a result, it goes as extremely clean approach with no chipping, debris or contamination, and most important thing, what you can cut at very high speeds, up to 800 millimeters per second.
Well, that's impressive. Can you tell us for which application areas is the device intended?
This device, FemtoGLASS, is very applicable with microfluidics, lab-on-a-chip systems, different micro lenses, microarrays, alignment systems, and any desired application where you need exotic cuts at very high speeds.
Great, Björn. Thank you so much for your time, Aurimas. Enjoy COMPAMED 2023.
Thank you very much, Mel.